This says it's recorded. Ah, that's it now. So, today I'm going to make you aware of how to have a proper shave. Some people out there don't know how to do it. So what we do is we run a hot warm water sink. Put water in it, half full. Once you've got that, you then wet your face, obviously. Warm water, of course, makes it easier to shave with. Once we've done that, we then get a can of Old Faithful, some shaving foam. Then we just apply it, not too thick, not too thin. Once we've got that in place, as you can see, it's called effortless grab. Anybody that says you can't have a shave is rather lazy, I would say. So now we go to this part where just take our time going down. It doesn't always work going down stroke. Sometimes you better going all the way like that, you can hear it coming. I hope you can. Well, down the way, up the way, underneath. You'll find most of your chin hairs grow down the way, so you better go up to get a clean, smooth baby face. If that's what you like. If you want a beard, different story. But as you can see here, get ready with that. You can hear it cutting away the stubble. Obviously it's a Gillette Max 3, a very comfortable shaving tool, cut free. And I've used bits, I've used a lot of razors. These razor blades, I've done a test on one of them, not because I'm cheap, just because I wanted to see how actually good the blades are. And I've actually got a blade there I've had for 10 years now. I know that sounds unbelievable, ridiculous. Why would you keep a blade 10 years? It's not because I'm hungry. It's nothing to do with that. It's just to see how good these actual blades are. The samurai blades, I said, and as you can see, perfect. No cuts, no nothing. No cuts, no butts, no coking nuts. But there we go, you can hear that all sliced off. And going down, if you go downwards, you do get some hair too, but it's as well to go up and down and round. And as I say, bang, baby's bottom. So, go drain the sink and always wash it out, or your mother will no doubt go crazy and throw you out. I don't stay with my mother, of course, but I tell my son to do this. And he's presto. Now, always was a good looking guy, but this is a clean, perfect shape. And if you're wanting to finish it off, get yourself a bottle of fire trap or something nice. Maybe a bottle of Kuros. In fact, Kuros is really nice with smell. Or Dupe, Dupe's really nice too. Calvin Klein, what else? I've got quite a few there. But for today, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to have a good clean shave. As you can see, smooth as a baby's bottom. So have a nice day. Goodbye.